more chances coming for the mainlanders. And the men on our intersected beautifully by the Swiss once again. And high one, take the ball out of danger. Fine ball control, quick and quick on there. Play the ball into space. And good ability. And the chance coming there. No, there was a tackle. Substitution for Mainland FC. Well, the play that is going on. Look, brother. Okay, two double substitution from Mainland FC. Orientes. They say his name is Orientes. It's going to be a goal kick. A goal kick. Six-yard box for the Zlatan goal kick. Now right footed ball, a high one. Ahead of the exam, ready. Cross back with. We're taking on over the line. And interception there. All control, take it now, and then the one position once again. Then, this one is going to bring it up. I'll play one here and there. And okay, crowd is good. Right, David Rosemary is the left back man for Kwanzaa Queen. But what is the link with the ball? With the very guys in the ball. If you come there with your mate, you can. Two more passes position. Now, Rosemary. Rosemary. Fair enough. We got 4 players in the row. We're looking for the third one. Now it's Mishura. I think about that Beno. Play the ball. And the Rose Gentry into touch for a trophy to Mainland FC, who are leading by a lone goal. Quick one is going to be a reach for substitution, and one backman is I want to introduce a new player. Well, Ibrahim Ismail has set the record to be the first player to score a goal in this newly constructed and commissioned Patoranking playing ground. Oh, just like side connecting. Ibrahim Ismail, aka Pepe, has put his name in the history book of the Pocolee for being the first man, the first player to score a goal on this newly constructed pitch. Medical, please, medical. Okay, the girl is back, she's stuck. Yeah, now Rosemary, now you go girl. They ain't happy. Rosemary, well done, I feel you, I see you, I catch you. I sighted you. You have it all. Miss Surabada, on the ball, send the ball, interception comes. Then Mainlanders, we get possession. Once back with it. Now, we get in possession for baseline. Rosemary, we get possession. That Northern is still unyielding. That got one that's still trying to have money. That's been a deal of that. Finally, this Ella Messi trying to get another up there. And we use a throw in the process. It's going to be a throw in to Ella Messi while in the by Longo. What's your post over Ibrahim Ishmael? I don't need to see quickly. But mushroom. Slide the ball into space. Boys, the pass is not too heavy. Heavy pass there. Mainland FC, regaining possession, try to overcome our opponent, his opponent here, and now the ball, interception from Mistura, now, Mainland FC, another, once again, they get possession, twist and turn, rotating, showing skill, too much of skill, and turn, twist and turn, number one, oh, it goes down, but no, it doesn't slip, and free kick has been awarded against Mainland FC in one back up of the pitch. Quickly checking. Oh, this really reminds me of the step player that played for Nigeria in those days. Dominic Uobodo. Hey, I hear you. Everybody get roll. Throw in for Mainland FC. Still on the front of the one goal lead. It's boys against girls. The boys are leading and the girls are trailing behind. And then the girls are they are dominating the game while the boys are doing the scoring. Substitution to Mainland FC. Unfortunately, the coming is 5 weeks going on competition with Jesse. Well done by Snorri at the back of the jersey. MC-AY. AY. ABKG. AY. Please come closer, come closer. Please, the next team. Please be warming up. The next team. Please be warming up. What is it up? Mike, where are you? Mike, connect. Michael, attention is needed by the commentator. Michael. Well, UMFC Vision Choice Academy, please be ready. UMFC Vision Choice Academy. Still one goal. One goal. If you're just joining us, it's coming live here. At the junior, then I said it's a mini stadium. That's the new construction. The junior mini stadium. First year Patoranking. The man that Daddy.